Hi guys, we're playing Medieval Engineers here, and I'm gonna show you how to build a gate. Now suppose this is the entrance to your castle, and oh no, an angry barbarian is coming at you from the forest. What should you do? Well, let's build a gate. The first thing you want to do is get your timber piece and scale it up with the scroll wheel so that it's at the max, which is 10, and place it down. Now, using the timber piece you've just placed down as a reference, hold Control and click on the end and just drag it across. We're going to be using that a lot. So now, what we're going to do is get our rope torsion spring and use the home keys to rotate it so that it's facing down, and make sure that this middle block is facing out. Now what you want to do is rotate it again, or rotate this timber piece so that it's facing out, and just start building your gate. Now what you want to do is you want to build one down from the block that you've just placed, because if you continue building across, it'll actually hit this wooden piece, and you don't want that to happen. So now what you can do is you can hold Control, click on it, and just build our gate all the way across. Now notice that it's swinging. You don't want that. So just get a wood piece and place it down so that it'll stop swinging. And now we can just continue building our gates. You can build it as ornate as you want it, but for this tutorial we're going with one solid block of wood, because nothing says gate like one solid block of wood. So here we go, here's our one solid block of wood. But notice that there's a noticeable gap on the bottom here. But don't worry about that, we're going to be covering that soon. So what we're going to do is start building our trim. So just place our wood piece around the perimeter like this, which will prevent the gate from actually swinging too freely. And now what we're going to do to cover up that ugly bottom piece is to get our trim and continue extending it around like so. But now you've noticed that there's an ugly top piece here. So what we're gonna do is, you guessed it, add more trim. So 3 pieces ought to cover it nicely. And there we go, there's our gates. Now what we're gonna do here is go to the other side and start adding the gate fixtures. So put a rope ending, place it in the middle at the bottom. You can use the top part here as a guide. And what we can do is add weights to the bottom end like this, and just drag it across. Alright, now that we've got that, we'll get our timber piece and place it down in the middle here. Now this is the housing for our rope drum. So let's continue building our housing. If I can get it to rotate. I always have issues with rotation. Come on, go vertical. Oh, wait, no, there we go. So make sure that it's one in from the outer block. So one in. And now we get our rope catch block here, and just place it like so. And what you want to do is get our rope drum and use your scroll wheel to change it so that it's in this variation. Now just rotate and attach it, and you want this kind of rope drum, trust me. So now get your turn wheel, or wait, no, get your weight and place it at the ends like this, and now get your turn wheel cross and place it in. The weight will add stability. Now connect your rope with your rope ending, and now you can hold T to pull it up. Now if it's rotating the wrong way, just hold Shift+T to bring it back. And it should start moving any second now. There we go. So the weights actually make it turn slower, but it adds that stability that we need. So that's our gate. And look! The enemy barbarian has gotten into the gate perimeter. So what we can do is, instead of clicking T on this to release the rope, we'll just release the rope drum by clicking on this gear. And the gate has been closed. So now we just connect it back and draw it back up once the threat has been eliminated. And there we have it, our very own gate. But look, another barbarian has entered. So we'll just release the gear again and show him the door. He'll think twice about messing with us. So that's our gate, guys. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.